Soils of India. In this chapter, we will learn about soil as an important resource, types of soils, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert and sandy soil. Soil erosion. Do MCQs. Mark true and false. Match columns. WH questions. Taking the things that spoil the fertility. Hone our life skills. Soil is a very important natural resource. It is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. It is formed when natural forces break large rocks into smaller pieces. These pieces are further broken down into sand and silt and carried to different places by running water and wind. All this is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years for a layer of soil to form. Fertility is the most important feature of soil. The fertility of soil varies from place to place. Manure and fertilizer are added to the soil to make it fertile. Fertile soil is good for crops to grow. Many types of soils are found in India. They are classified into the following types. Alluvial soil. You have read earlier that the Himalayan rivers bring with them large quantity of alluvium. This is deposited on the river bank. This alluvial soil is very fertile. In the Deccan Plateau, alluvial soil is found in the deltas formed by the rivers. Crops grown in these regions include paddy, wheat, maize, sugarcane, pulses, oilseeds, and vegetables. Tobacco, cotton, and jute are also grown here. Black soil. Black soil has been formed from lava rocks. It is black in color, so it is called black lava soil. Black soil is mostly found in the Deccan Plateau region, which covers large areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can hold a large amount of moisture, so it is suitable for growing crops like cotton, sugarcane, wheat, millets, tobacco, and oilseeds. Red soil. This type of soil is found in parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Red soil is not very fertile, but its fertility can be increased to some extent by adding manure and chemical fertilizers. A few crops are grown in red soil. They include paddy, ragi, millets, pulses, and vegetables. In hilly areas that have this type of soil, potatoes and peanuts are grown. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in small areas in Maharashtra, Orissa, West Bengal, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Bihar, Assam, and Meghalaya. It develops as a result of leaching in places where it rains heavily. Paddy, ragi, tea, coffee, rubber, and fruits are grown in this soil by adding manure. It is also good for growing fruits. Laterite soil is commonly used to make bricks. Mountain soil. The soil found on hill slopes is called mountain soil. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh have mountain soil. Mountain soil is rich in humus. Wheat, maize, barley, fruits, tea, coffee, and spices are grown in such soil. Did you know? Earthworms help the soil. They convert dead leaves and plant remains into a rich natural fertilizer. By burrowing into the soil, they make it loose, thus allowing air to enter the soil. This makes the soil more fertile. Desert or sandy soil. This type of soil is found in the deserts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. This is dry soil. Sandy soil is not fertile. If water is made available to this type of land, the crops like wheat, millets, barley, maize, pulses, and cotton can be grown. Soil erosion. Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to make it more fertile. But in some parts of our country, the soil is not looked after properly. Trees are cut and grass is pulled out, which makes the soil infertile. Rainwater and strong winds also carry the soil away. This is called soil erosion. The following steps can stop soil erosion. We should control cutting down of trees. We should plant more trees. Trees help to hold the soil together. This is particularly important along the hill slopes. Embankments should be built around fields. We should not leave the fields empty. If there is no crop in the field, we should save the land by a grass covering. New words. Manure. The waste matter of animals and remains of dead plants that are mixed with soil to help plants grow. Humus. Fertilizer formed from dead leaves and plants in the soil. Organic. Made without using artificial chemicals. Irrigation. To provide water to land through canals and water pumps. Recap. The top layer of Earth's surface is made of soil. Soil is formed when natural forces, air and water break down rocks into very small pieces due to natural forces. Alluvial, black, red laterite, mountain and desert are the different types of soils. Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to increase fertility. Soil erosion is harmful for the soil. We must prevent it.